Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Did you record it?
Is it going? Is it starting?
Kurt.
It's on! Hi, I'm Maggie.
Hi, I'm Chanel.
Hi, I'm Ella.
And we are Tropical Bloopers. That's
+1.
This is Gwen.
Say
Gwen!
This is our special guest for today.
What are we doing?
Speak up!
We're today. Shut up! Okay, today we're gonna do
20 different animals.
20.
This is like 15 or 20.
Okay, 15, 10 to 20 animal noises. Let's get started.
Meow, 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 meow. I don't know how to be a dog. I'm not a dog lover. Oh wait, no, that was a picture.
What?
No, it's recording. It's recording.
Ew.
Whale noise!
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. There's like...
Now pose for your mugshot. And sing it like a train game.
We got hang gliders!
Hi!
Hi!
Hi.
My name is what? My name is who?
Never said that was going to be our
Okay,
intro.
well...
Animal actions.
Wait.
Animal actions. Animal actions. Animal actions.